Welcome to this video. And in this tutorial, I will give you how you can design your logo, your profile photo, profile picture, and your cover image. Okay. It will be very easy step-by-step process. I will guide you, give you some steps, and also I will give you some free stuff. Okay. Free tool you can use to create and design your cover photo, logo, and profile pictures. Okay, or daily content if you're uploading your content on daily basis, okay, on Facebook or Instagram or different platforms, so also it will be helpful to you. And in today's time, most of the people, they are creating content to promote their business on WhatsApp. So if you want to create content for your WhatsApp, so also you can use this tool as well. And this tool name is canva.com. Might be most of the persons you have uh, used this tool. Okay, if you haven't used till now, so I am guiding you how you can use this tool. It's a very, very simple tool. Okay, so I share my screen, and I will type here canva.com, canva.com, canva.com. This is the tool to design your every design, we can say every type of design, right? So this is the home page. We are here, and first we will create our logo. So you need to type here logo or logo design. Okay, so there is an option that art logo design. We need 500 by 500 pixel logo. Okay, size. This is the size we need. So art design logo. I will click here. Okay, so okay, here we can find lots of different designs and artwork for the logo design. Okay, so we can choose from all of them, but what we do, we will go here, create a blank art. Okay, create logo. After that, we will choose from the list of logos, whatever Canva has given us. You can see lots of designs and lots of artwork, logos. You can choose whatever you like, which color you like, design you like, you can choose freely. Okay, it's a very, very good idea. Okay, so let's create this one. Okay, so what was the name of our, previously we already created the business page. Okay, uh okay, trip advising company. So trip advising private limited. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to little bit more space. What I do, I will keep only trip advising here, otherwise we will not complete our task, so what we do, I just go back. I There is a keyboard shortcut here, Control Z. When you did some mistakes, so you can go back by pushing Control and Z. Okay, yes, trip advising, and this is the small letter, so we can put our private limited here. Okay, cool idea. Okay, that is how you can create all different types of logo here, right? You can see different colors and different font types. I kept a very simple logo here so you can understand, you can try yourself. So now what I do, I click share button here. You can see right side on the top of the corner, and then there is an option that download. Okay, and there are different file type option here, but you can keep PNG. It's a good file type. We can use this PNG file type everywhere. Okay, so download. Okay, there is a premium content in this logo. So how can we delete? Okay, so for that we need to delete this. Now what we do, we need a different symbol here. So we need to go elements, then what we search here, travel. We will search here travel related any element. Okay, let's say we take this plane image here. Okay, so first we need this color. So how you can change this plain color from this? Okay, so for that you need to go to edit color, then you can pick this, and then you can also pick a color from the design. Okay, then you need to come here. When you come here, there is, you need to choose a center point. There is a color, then automatically color will be changed for the plane, aeroplane. Okay, now it's looking cool. Okay, or you can find uh different options available here. We can see if any options. Okay, let's say we keep here this plane here as our trip advising private limited company, as a traveling company. So now I want to see I am able to download this file or not. Okay, yes, done. We have done this. So there is no any premium content in this logo. So now what we do, we will go back at our business page. Okay, facebook.com. When you go here, so you can see, okay, this is trip advising private limited. Okay, this is the logo I created, but we will not keep this logo. We have created new logo. So what we do, update profile picture here, and then upload photo. I will choose this trip. Done. Or you can also write description here that the we are providing traveling service across India, and we will give you experience like you never enjoyed before. Okay, this is the description for this particular business. Okay, then save. Guys, it's a very easy. You can create by your own logo using this method. Okay, you can create your You can create your own symbol, then you can create your own fonts here. Okay, then we will create our cover photo. So for that, we will go back at our canva.com. Okay, so now we did complete this part. So now we go back here, then again I will search for the, okay, there is a button here, back to home. So we will go back at home, then again I will search here Facebook page cover. Let's see what we can see, what we find. This is the Facebook cover, 1640 by 924 pixel. This is the right size. Okay, so I click here. Let's see what type of options we can get, what page cover designing we can get. Oh, good designs we can get. So what we do here, I will click again, create a blank Facebook cover. Yes, these are the samples. We can choose from the list of samples here, whatever you like, or if you want to edit by yourself, you can edit photographs, you can edit different elements in this cover image. Okay, so what we do, we search here travel, because we are in travel and tourism. Okay, so travel and tourism, right? Wow, great. First image is looking good. This is also a good. Okay, uh, okay, I like this. Let's see, it is a paid or free. Might be this is free. Okay, no, this is paid version. You can see the transparent here, watermark here, Canva watermark. So this is not a free. Okay, so I need to delete this. Okay, and then I choose this one. Yes, this one is free for us. Okay, we can use this cover photo image. So now what we do, travel, enjoy your holiday. This is very perfect. We can say the symbol, the what we call, this is the hook. Okay, in marketing language we can say this is the hook, travel and enjoy your holiday. Okay, so I think this is the best version we got. Also, if we want our logo here, so we can keep our logo in this cover image, but this time we will not keep any other work because we don't have much time. Okay, so I just download this cover image. Let's see what happened. Also, I keep PNG file type. It's a good file. Okay, good file type. Right, got it. It's already downloaded. So I will go back at Facebook. Then I will add cover photo here. Upload photo. Okay, you need to select upload photo. Then you can select this, whatever downloaded in your computer. Okay, it will take little time. Let's see how is it looking. Wow, great. And if we want reposition this page, so we can also reposition like this. Okay, great. Now I click this save changes button. Yes, we have done our work here. Okay, Yes, this is our logo, our profile logo we have created already, and we have created our cover image also. So now our work done for the logo creation, profile picture creation, and the cover image creation. So what do you think? Is what difficult? It was difficult? It's very, very simple. Okay. Now your turn. This is the action you need to take right now. Create your own business page. You have already created business page in our previous video. Okay. So this time you need to create your own logo. Okay. You can select different available options over there, and then you can create your own cover image. Okay. And then I will meet you at tomorrow morning, and I will share how you can optimize your business page. Okay. Optimization is the key to get followers in your page. Okay. So meet you tomorrow, and this is the action you need to take right now. Profile logo creation, profile picture creation, and then cover image creation. Okay. So let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.